Hi guys, in today's short video about Amazon advertising tips, I want to touch the subject of budgeting. So it's not like you can choose whatever budget you want to have for a campaign, but it's not even that you can increase the budget however you like. So because not every time that you do that, things go naturally. So I've seen cases where campaign was running out of budget too early throughout the day because of the Q4 sales. So if you increase the budget, like I don't know, if it's $1,000 per day and you increase to 1,500 or $2,000 a day, you're going to completely ruin the performance. Believe it or not, it doesn't make any sense. Every logic says that it's just going to spend more at the same performance, same ACoS, same CPC, but completely opposite thing happens. So it's really like CPCs go up, ACoS go up, everything blows up. So you need to be careful, especially in this time of the year, how you increase campaign budgets. So my general rule is to not go over 10% of budget increase. Now you need to have a sense of your own account, how that worked in the past. In some cases, I've seen even a less of an increase made some issues, and I've seen also that it didn't. So it's all about testing and knowing your account. But as a general rule, I would recommend that you do not go over 10% of a budget increase and do that every 3 to 4 days. During these 3 to 4 days, you need to carefully monitor the performance, what's happening. Did the CPCs go up? Did the ACoS go up? What about conversion rate? Because it can just be, you send a signal that, hey, I have additional $500 that I'm willing to spend, and the algorithm is going to grant you your wish. It's going to spend additional $500. It doesn't mean that that's going to happen on the targets that perform well. It just can be, let's spend. So that's really something that can disrupt a lot of keyword rankings and everything, and it's much harder after that to recover. Sorry, I've seen cases like if you had a $1,000 and you went to 1,500, it's not like, hey, okay, I saw that I made a mistake, I'm just gonna revert to 1,000 and everything's gonna reset back to normal. No, that's not the case, unfortunately. So the same is when you want to decrease budget. Do not do it so aggressively. Also, if you decrease the budget too much, it's not like you can go back to 1,000 if you went back to 500 from 1,000. It's not like, okay, I made a mistake, let's go back to 1,000. No, it's not gonna recover. So very often you need to go higher than when you were before, like 100, 1,200, 1,300, and keep it like that for several days and then gradually get back to 1,000. Now, that's something that I keep seeing over and over again, and I wanted to share with you because it's, almost middle of November. The sale is gonna spike very soon, so take care of this, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.